Now at 5 o'clock, some breaking news, a brush fire growing in Needles. I'm Michelle Fisher. Jory Rand is off. This fire is near the California-Arizona state line. We've just learned there are mandatory evacuations from Fender's Resort. More than 116 acres is now burned. It is burning on both sides of the Colorado River. This video here taken at the Rainbow Beach Resort from Eyewitness News viewer Christina from Bellflower. San Bernardino County Fire says structures are threatened and additional firefighters are now en route. Right now the temperature 110 degrees in Needles.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.